In this video, we will discuss photon emission. This animation shows a set of energy levels for a hydrogen light that is basically one electron atom or ion. Collision of an atom with other faster moving atoms in the flame can raise an atom to an excited state from ground state, after which the atom can lose energy to regain its ground state position by emitting a photon. The color, more specifically wavelength, of the photon depends on the energy difference between the upper and lower energy levels. For different type of energy difference, we will get different type of photon. That means different type of wavelength. So we will get different type of color.